guys, it's your girl Phoenix Jazz, and today we are gonna react to Jay Park's new song, Car Crash. If you don't know, that's tough, but yeah, Car Crash. We're gonna react to his music video. It just came out 17 hours ago. So, yeah. Anyways, I know I haven't really filmed a video, and I really don't have a schedule or whatever, and I've been gone for a while. It's because I've been dealing with stuff, and I am almost done with school, so I've been focused on that stuff. And that reminds me, I also have stuff to do. Anyways, we are just gonna hop into the video. So, let's go. Hold on. Make sure the volume. Ready, set, go. So, I do randomly pause it because I don't want copyright. But anyways, it's so good right now. And we're just a minute in. 32. Minute 32. But it's so good. I will always support Jay. I will always support Jay. He really great music. Support Day 6. Support all of them. Let's go.
Tell no more if we ever good.
Hello? You're so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Car Crash is really good. I love his voice. His voice just so soothing. I really love his voice. He makes amazing songs. You should check out his other songs that he's created. And the one he doesn't want to ever sing, Pac-Man, that's a really good song to sing. But Car Crash was actually a really good song. It's a really amazing song. Let me see if I can find something. It's like, he has a really soothing voice and I really love it. Really. I don't know how to describe it. Just, I don't want to look up the lyrics really quick. Hold on. Okay. I think it is a really good song. I really love his voice. And I've been waiting for it to come out, so I'm really happy. The music video wasn't bad either. The music video was good. It's really a song that gets stuck in your head for me. But anyways, you should check out the music video and check out his other songs. They're amazing. In the music video, because I gotta tell you, there are people featured on it. Hold on. Valkyrie and Kate from the 100 Thieves. Sorry if I destroy their names. Sorry. I'm really bad with English. That sounds really bad, though. But anyways, amazing. I love it. Recommend it. 10 out of 10. 5 stars. There's a dog. And yeah. I'm gonna try to... It's 17 on trending. Looks like it. So, I'm gonna try to post this today. Like, today. So, we will see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I know it's not really a lot. Hopefully, in the future, there'll be more context, more videos for you guys to watch. And I know a lot of my videos, the comments are disabled, and I don't know why. Like, I don't know. And so, if you guys ever want to recommend me, like, videos, context you guys want to see, react to, go on my Instagram, DM me. Go on my Instagram, DM me, and I would try to do what you guys want, and it just gave me some ideas. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Love. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and since my comments are disabled, I can't say comment down below, but please DM me what type of videos you want to see on this. So anyways, bye!